Good afternoon. We're here live with Myla Crawford, a senior mass communication major at Lane College from Memphis, Tennessee. I am a 4-year member of the Baptist Campus Ministry Choir. Stop it, Damon. Stop it, Damon. Stop it. And start it over. Yeah, because I lied. I've only been in the BSU 2 years now because I took my sophomore. What's the jigger year?
Hey, are you excited about the concert, Monica?
Yes, I'm so excited. And Lily is, you know, she's so on fire for the Lord, and I just cannot wait for tonight.
Did you take my part out?
Aaron, what you feeling?
And why you got us?
I'm very excited. I can't wait. It's going to be a wonderful experience for me. I've been in concerts before, but I feel like this is going to be a great
This is it. That's what she feel like.
This is it.
That's Myla Crawford. How you feeling over here?
This is it.
Hello everyone, I'm T here. I'm really excited about the concert tonight. It's my first one with the BSU choir, so I'm looking forward to great things.